breathtaking. Shall we visit Yuefei's temple next?
Yeah, but I'm starving.
So am I. Oh, I have an idea. Let's try a special local food.
What is that?
Well, it's actually about Yuefei and Qinghui.
阿姨，这是要做什么呀？
这是杭州名小吃葱包烩。
This is Congbaohui, one of the best-known traditional Chinese snacks in Hangzhou. What's the story behind it? Let's find out.
Congbaohui has its roots in the story of Qinghui and Yuefei. Yuefei, born in the Song dynasty, is known as a national hero. Framed by the then Prime Minister Qinghui, he was executed in Fengbo Pavilion in Hangzhou out of indignation and pity for Yue. A chef made fried pastry into the shape of Qing and his wife. The pastry was named Congbaohui, which was welcomed by people sharing the same feelings. And despite changes in its appearance, it has enjoyed popularity ever since. It is commonly seen in the streets and alleys.
I see.
Great! Now let's explore the process of making Congbaohui and enjoy this delicacy.
Flour, salt, and water boiled. Knead them to make a paste. Slice and brush it with oil. Roll it out and bake for better taste. Add deep-fried dough sticks after flipping. Green onions and add liquid. They're now soaked in. Wrap them up and try your best pressing. Flip again and do the exact same thing. When they become hard, the job is finished. With your favorite sauce, you'll surely enjoy it.
来，小朋友来尝尝吧，这是葱包烩，是有酱的，这是没酱的，不用写。
The scent of the green onion, together with its crispy crust, really makes my mouth water. The sauce makes it all the more delicious. Have a bite.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We always welcome friends by sharing things. Do you know how to express "have a bite" in other languages? Let's have a look.
Diplogłos gladok.
Abrovich gado.
Gigi.
Gigi.
Anak piejem.
Nak pieje.
Moi bản an.
Moi bản an.
食べてみてください.
자대면에 그다세.
Ang tochuchola.
엉또 주절라.
뉴시장.
뉴시장.
드셔보세요.
드셔보세요.
Got it?
Got it. Now I'm full.
Great! Now, shall we visit Yuefei's temple in person?